continue this half hour with first alert weather. Here's a look at the windy, stormy conditions at the Magic Valley Regional Airport.
A lot of wind in Idaho caused widespread damage from downed trees to rock slides. Let's go ahead and get over to Audrielle Tackett with your evening forecast. And Audrielle, despite that wind, we still saw some warmer temperatures today.
Yes, Brenda, we've seen record-breaking warmth this morning, and we had our warmer temperatures early in the day today and have been cooling down ever since after that cold front came through. So warmer today, McCall, Ontario, Boise, Mountain Home, and Twin Falls, a few of the places that have set records for the warm temperatures today. We're just a few days away from the official start of winter, and we're seeing 60s in the Treasure and the Magic Valley, 50s in a couple spots in the mountains there. So we're going to stay above average for the next week ahead and possibly through Christmas. Right now, 46 degrees. Again, we have been cooling down ever since we hit that high earlier this morning. Around the region, it's 40s throughout the Treasure Valley, low 40s in the Magic Valley, feeling a little cooler there because of wind chill. Twin Falls feeling at about 32 degrees, closer to that freezing point. So feels cooler because those strong winds down there, which are still going, again, that wind advisory or that high wind warning in the Magic Valley specifically will expire in about 30 minutes or so. But you can see on satellite and radar, it's very quiet outside in terms of precipitation for the time being. That will change come tomorrow. You can see more clouds rolling in later tonight, closer to 9 through midnight. Tomorrow morning, we will be into the low 30s for Boise. This cool air is what's going to give us a chance at seeing a burst of snow flurries. As temperatures warm throughout the day, it will turn into rain, but we're looking at widespread precipitation tomorrow for your commute to work. I'll have more details of what's to come for the rest of this first alert weather week in my full forecast.
Well, we have another look at the damage from the wind out there. Wind blew a semi-truck into the median on the Perrine Bridge. It hit a light pole and went into traffic. The road is back open at this time, but the Idaho Transportation Department says because of the high winds, it is not safe to replace that pole today. ITD will update drivers on the timeline there.
And an alert for people living in the Beulah area. The public library there is closed indefinitely because of weather damage. The library's event Snacks with Santa has also been canceled. The library says that it will keep people up to date when it expects to reopen.
And the wind is impacting the mountains too. The Sawtooth Avalanche Center says there is a high chance of avalanche today. That warning is for the Sawtooth and Western Smoky Mountains, Galena Summit, and Eastern Mountains, as well as Banner Summit. And the center says people need to avoid steep slopes where the wind is drifting snow and any steep terrain that's received a lot of that rain recently. And over in the Payette National Forest, there is moderate avalanche danger. The Avalanche Center there has issued the warning for the Salmon River Mountains and West Mountains.